Hi, I'm Deneen, and it is Friday, and I'm officially on spring break. And I bet you are either near spring break, ready for it, or on it already. When my tape dispenser looks like this, I'm pretty sure we all need a break. Something that I've believed for a long time now is that our textbooks are not our guides. We think they are. They're bought for us at great cost, chosen for us by committees of scholarly, intelligent people. So clearly this must be my guide for how I teach my class. But that's not true. And I had that confirmed when wonderful Stanley and I went 2 weeks ago to the California Mathematics Council, that it's really the standards that we need to be focusing on, and how we teach those standards is really up to our discretion, what we think is best for our students, not I need to do this page and this page and this page and this page until the cows come home. This week, I didn't really do much new teaching at all. And so the message I want to share with you today is that it's important for us to take breaks in teaching, to have those students one-on-one or in really small groups, calling them up to troubleshoot, to reteach. A lot of my students were very ishy in their division. They were close, but I needed to work with them one-on-one to really help them understand their mistakes. And it was so exciting. Now, what did I do with the rest of my students? I actually put them on IXL this week, and I had them work on language arts lessons and some mathematics lessons because I didn't want them doing games because I needed to be really quiet, and I didn't need them to do activities that needed me at all. I needed to spend my time focusing on my small groups and individuals. And it was thrilling. I remember Sterling, we were working on division. He's like, I get it now. Oh, I get it. And what greater joy is there in having a student say that? But it takes time, and we have to be able to give ourselves that time to just say, I'm not teaching new content this week or this day, and I'm going to spend time with my students. And they're so fully engaged because you're working on the problems they don't know how to do. You have permission to take a break and teach the students what they need to compress and cement the concepts for mastery. Have a great break, and I'll see you next week.